Hey guys, so I'm sure you guys have already heard of these fidget spinners. Basically what they do, you just spin them in your hands, kind of a little toy when you're bored. So then so today I'm going to be showing you guys tricks you can do and 2 ways you can spin the thing. So the first way you can spin it is ripping it like that. So now, then the second way is like this. Just hitting it. Repeatedly hitting it. Personally, my favorite is the one where you rip it, because I feel like it gets more power and speed. And so anyways, and you can also take off the caps for these things. I'm sure you guys already know. So anyways, so I'm going to do some tricks now. So you ready? So the first one is like this. If I'm going to do one fingered because I think it's the easiest. If you're a beginner, you want to do 2 fingers on the bottom. Just 2 fingers like that. But when you get more advanced, you want to do 1 finger, just plain old 1 fingered. I did 2 fingers first when I started getting into these fidget spinners. That was the first trick I ever did. Then I started doing tricks like this, where I can't do it with just 1 fingered yet, so I do it with 2 fingers. This one, I can do 1 fingered with 1 finger obviously, but I go like this for this trick, then just toss it up. Then just toss it up. There. So then the next trick is this. So you're going to want to spin it with a lot of speed. Then you're going to want to throw it up. Pretend it's in midair and I just let go of it. It's going up, 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 up. Then it comes down and you catch it right on the cap so it keeps spinning like it never even went in the air. So I'm going to use my green one for this. And I also have another one. I have 3 fidget spinners. My other one is a poop one, but I can't find that one at this moment. So you're going to want to get this going, then toss it up. There. So thank you so much for watching. Squash that like button and make sure to subscribe. If you guys subscribe, that would be really amazing. So thank you so much and peace out. See you later.